Okay.
Today, I will talk about why do people get angry. So I have to talk about 6 spread of angry. The first spread about the family. Why you would like to buy something or go somewhere, your family is not angry, you go or you buy, so make you angry. The 2 spread about girlfriend. Why your girlfriend had a new boy? She isn't interesting you and make you angry. And 3rd point about friends. While you work, you hire your friends or someone listening music and turn on the music loudly. And when you are not really sleep and you feeling angry. 4. If you work for some company or somewhere, or the boss store you get angry and you not encourage to work or you
going to sleep or going to sleep
and 5
go to
time. If you
or house
work
or
or
too much noise. Too much noise. Because why? You came late to school. When you come late, you have to sit quiet. Okay? Because you teach already. You disturb him, you cannot talk. Too much noise. Please. We have very soon we close at 8:30. Everybody have little time to talk, 10 or 20 minutes or 5 minutes to say something about this topic. Don't make noise. You are not an urban boy or sports. Okay? What is your problem? Yes? What you say you came late? Minya, what is your problem? Didi, open your. If you come late, Didi, you don't say why. You mark your name, check. You check already for him? No. See? You have to be quiet. When you make noise, someone cannot explain very well before you make noise. Okay, please. Don't be shocked. Okay, before you go to and they don't want to take now, when you come in, you don't know what to do. You have to check everything. That's why we have to. We have time for teacher and teach. Okay? Short explain short and you see. And the next lesson is B. It's A and B and C. So you have to prepare yourself. Yes.